Hi digital marketers, this is Faisal Amin. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will try to show you how to track ClickFunnels lead form by using of Google Tag Manager. So I am already created dummy funnels in ClickFunnels. You can see that I am creating the two pages. One is for lead form and second one is thank you page. So today I am trying to track the each and every user information to implement your Google Ads, Facebook Ads, whatever you have to use in your tracking platform. So no more delay, let's get started. So firstly, you have to create the account in Google Tag Manager. So I'm go to Google Tag Manager, create account. So here you have to giving the account setup and giving the account name, and you have to select your country and also giving the container name and select the web, and finally click the create button, and I also accepted the data processing terms and finally click the yes. So our account is created with a browser container. So we are finally create the Google Tag Manager browser container, click the code, and we have to find out the script code. We are copy the code and back to our ClickFunnels interface. I already told you I already create the funnel page, that is the lead form. So if you clicking the edit option, and you can see that your lead form in ClickFunnels, and here is the form I am just creating for the practice purpose, and you can see that to creating the tutorial. So you can see also see that I am providing the all user information, first name, last name, phone, email. So now I am putting the GTM code on the funnel page, and you can see that landing page or lead form, whatever you can say. So, and in the top menu bar, you can see the settings option, and in the settings option, you just go to the show code option, and here you have a option to put your script code, which I am copy from the Google Tag Manager. So I'm pasting the code and finally save. So I am putting my GTM code in the ClickFunnels lead form, but I have another work which is I am also providing the GTM code in the thank you page, because we have to put the GTM code in and every pages of ClickFunnel, because that is the journey and you have to track the all journey of the user. So again, I am clicking the edit on the thank you page and open it, and the same process you have to adding the GTM code. So I am again selecting the settings option, and finally in the drop down I am click the show code option, and again the same process and header code option and paste the code and finally save. I am providing the GTM code in the ClickFunnels lead form and thank you page also. So now check out that our GTM code is perfectly working or not for ClickFunnels lead form and thank you page. So I am back to Google Tag Manager and go to the preview option, and so go to preview option, and that is our target page. Connect with the GTM, and in the here you can see that our tag assistant connected with our website. That's really looking good. We are successfully connected our tag manager with our ClickFunnels lead form. So our today target is we have to scrap the all user information for using our digital marketing platform like Google Ads, Facebook Ads, whatever you can say. So I'm just fill up the form and check out that our user information are find out our tag assistant or not. So I'm just putting that dummy information. So I'm just giving my mobile name and also the email, and finally click the submit. So also we are go to the thank you page, and in the thank you page you can also see that our tag assistant connected. So back to our tag assistant, and here you can see that we are finding an event that is CF page view, that means click funnel page view. If I am click on that, here you can see that I am find out our all user information in our tag assistant, contact first name, contact last name, contact email address, phone number, postal code, country, all of that. So one by one I am creating the user information variable to sending our digital marketing platform like Google Ads, Facebook, and etc. So back to our Google Tag Manager, go to variable section to create the data layer variable for user information to sending the Google Ads, Facebook ads, whatever you have to use. So new variable configuration and data layer variable, and back to our tag assistant. Here you can see that that is our event. So I am just clicking the contract first name and put on it, and variable name will be the same. We have saved the variable. So our first name variable is created. Now the second one, again the same process, data layer variable, back to our tag assistant, and contact last name, copy the contact last name, and again put the data layer variable section and giving the name, save it. So again new, back to tag assistant, that is contact email address, so which we are copy from the tag assistant back to Google Tag Manager and variable section, paste on it, and also the variable, save it. And our fourth one is contact phone number, copy the contact phone number, paste on it, also giving the variable name, save it. So we are done. Now again we have to check out that our all variable are perfectly working or not. So go to preview, continue. Again we providing the different name, that is my name, and finally click the submit and thank you page. Also back to our tag assistant, go to our event, that is CF page view, and go to the variable. Here you can see that we have to find out each and every user information, contact email address, contact first name, contact last name, contact phone number, all of we have to find out in the thank you page also. And if you we are go to our lead form page, here also we can find out all of information, and in the CF lead event we have to find out the all user information which we have to implement in Google Tag Manager. So you can understand how can you have to scrape the all user information from the lead forms. So now question is, how can you have to implement the all user information for your Google ads or Facebook ads? So I am go to my another Google Tag Manager account to show you how to use the user information in your Google ads or Facebook ads. So I'm go to another profile, setup, that is my client GTM. So just I am shown you, if then I go to the Google ads conversion tracking. So and here you can see the user provided data, that is the variable. So I am go to the variable to find out the user provided data. So I am searching the user provided data. Here you can see that user provided data. If I am open this user provided data, here you can see the phone, email, first name, last name, city, all of user information. So that means that you have to use your user information in your Google ads as well. If I am go to the Facebook ads, that is again that is the purchase event. Here you can see that user data email address, user data phone number. Here you can also implement the all user information you can use in Facebook ads. So that is the easy process. If you can create a user information variable, you can put your any digital marketing platform. I hope you understand actually what I mean that. So now question is, how can you creating the trigger? You just using the custom trigger, that is CF lead, that is your custom event, and by using this event also you can create the trigger. If I go to the trigger section and new trigger, tag trigger configuration, and that will be the custom event. And also you have to providing the CF lead as event name, and you can create a trigger using this event name. So finally, successfully we are set up ClickFunnels lead form tracking for your any digital marketing platform like Facebook, Google Ads. So thanks for watching this video. In the next video, I am also showing you how to track the landing page, per sale page, and also shown the custom JavaScript. If you do not find out the your user information in your data layer, so how can you scrape the all user information by using of custom JavaScript? So thanks for watching this video. Thank you.